Hello, I saw your question in the email. In the question, they tell you make 3 Bs that are each 4 credit hours each. So here's the grade and the credit hours. So you make a B, in the directions say worth 3 points, and they tell you it's a 4 credit hour class, and you have 3 of those. Then it tells you have just one class you made an A in. An A is worth 4 points, and it's a 3 credit hour class. D is just worth 1 point. That's in the directions. You only have one class of those, and it's a 2 credit hour class. And then C, you made one C. You know what the directions say. C is worth 2 points, and it's a 3 credit hour class. So they tell you the worth of them. For B is 3, an A is 4, D is 1, and a C is 2. They tell you how many B's you might had, how many A's, D's, and C's, and they tell you the credit hours. So that information, you got to extract it, you got to read it. So now you just take the worth and by the credit hours. 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 3 times 4. 4 times 3, 1 times 2, 2 times 3. So that gives you this column. Then you add these numbers, which is 56. You add your credit hours. So you take the 56 and divide by 20, and we get a real nice 2.8. Hope that helps.